Welcome to 1 Minute Electronics. How to solder. First, plug in your soldering iron. Strip your wire. If the wire isn't perfectly clean, use sandpaper or a sharp knife to clean it. Twist it tight. We're going to solder just a piece onto the other end of it. Again, clean the wire. Twist it tight. Put a piece of heat shrink tubing on one of the wires. Slide it out of the way. Place the two wires together and twist them together. Note the technique. You need to make a clean, strong mechanical joint. I'm not doing a very good job here, but it will do. Secure the wires for soldering, like so. Place a little bit of solder on the iron to make sure it's warm enough, and to get a little flux on it, you can wipe it off with a damp paper towel. Don't burn yourself. Place the iron against the wires. Place a little bit of solder between them. Wait about 5 seconds. Now apply solder to the joint. Remove the iron and do not move anything for 10 seconds. Period. Okay, it should be solid now. Looks good. Slide the heat shrink over it if it will fit, and it does. Let's go back a little bit. And we will heat the heat shrink with a heat gun or a good hair dryer. A beautiful soldered joint. You are done. You now know how to solder.